Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
My name is Akshay Joshi,
And I'm Nandita Joshi.
and today we are back in Ramnagar. And today we're going to be trekking Narayangiri. This is about half an hour from Ramnagar. Supposed to be an easy trek. There is a off-road path which leads to the stairs, which will take you to the top, where there's a temple located as well. So we're just starting now. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. So the road which is going to take you till the staircase is completely made of dirt. You can see there are a couple of cars which are parked right behind me, but it's very slippery right now, and during the monsoon, I'm guessing when it's raining, you're going to be facing a lot of sludge. So I'd recommend you park at the bottom and then trek from there itself. So let's see how is the trail, and we'll show you the view from the top as well.
It's a little too sunny, but otherwise it's good.
It's a very beautiful hike. You can see Nandita is right there, surrounded by lush greenery. Just that the sun is quite strong today. It's about 30 degrees Celsius right now. Alright, so now we have reached the parking lot. So you can see there's one car over here. Somehow it's made it all the way till here. I'm sure that must have been a very bumpy ride, but once you reach the parking lot, then that's where you will be going to climb to the top.
Even though we had to walk a bit before the stairs, it was really good because in Ramnagar, you're just surrounded by mountains and there's good view 360 degrees around. So it's amazing to just walk around here. So let's start.
Quite windy today, but I'm enjoying the walk, and the views are insane. It appears those are solar panels right there. It's very windy. I don't know if you can hear me, but today is a very, very windy day. Ooh. But look at the view. Reaching the top now. I'm not sure if you can hear me. There's lot of wind over here. There's so much of wind, actually it's pushing me away. I'm trying my best to show you the entire path as well as the insane wind which is there while still trying to safely hike. So I hope you guys appreciate this and enjoy the video as well. So we have reached the top now. The view from here is pretty insane.
View on the top is really good. You can see Savandarka, you can see Machanbele Lake, you can see Timappanvetta. So basically, so many mountains which you have already gone to, we can see it from here. So it's amazing because we can relate to it. Now we are walking towards the other end of the mountain peak. Let's see.
So that's the temple at the top. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to fly the drone right now because there's just too much of wind and like 15 eagles right above us, so it's going to be very difficult. Maybe I'll try it from a little lower altitude, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fly it from here. Would have been pretty amazing to actually see this beautiful view from a drone's point of view as well. That huge mountain there is Savandurga. I really don't understand why people come to such beautiful places and just litter everywhere. You can see so much of garbage over here, even at this height. I mean, all you have to do is just take it back with you. It's quite sad to see such a beautiful place being littered like this.
As you can see behind me, there's a lot of space on the peak here to sit, but there's no shelter as such, so if it's a sunny day like today, you might not be able to stay for long on the top. That's Jalamangala Lake. Actually, we stopped there and had our lunch before we started climbing up to the Narayangiri peak. We could see a few families there and having a picnic. If you see there, somewhere there, that's the Kunagalu Betta where we went earlier, last week's video. And then behind that is Handigandi.
Alright guys, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, have a good one.